Well, it's been more than 3 years since President Obama signed the health care law, but public polling in the last year shows most people still don't get it. Well, you can learn more about it and what it means to you and your family at a free health fair on Saturday. And joining us with more information are Richard Dowakin, president of HME Specialists, and Stacy Johnson Davis, who is the director of contracting and payer relations. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having us.
It's a very important subject in this day and age. But first, let's talk a little bit about HME Specialists and what y'all do.
Absolutely. HME Specialists is a locally owned home medical equipment supplier. We provide services on the respiratory side like oxygen therapy and sleep therapy. We have a medical equipment side of the business where we do things like hospital beds, wheelchairs and such. We have a supply division where we handle people's wound care supplies, incontinence supplies, things of that nature.
Okay.
We also have a custom rehab department where we handle things like power wheelchairs, scooters and such. And most recently, we opened up and offer a home infusion pharmacy to provide services like antibiotics and things of that nature.
So it's a pretty comprehensive service that y'all offer, which
Absolutely.
is great. So let's talk a little bit about Saturday's health fair.
Yeah, absolutely. We're really excited about it. We really felt like as a company there were so many changes in healthcare that we needed to make it available to the public and really help educate them. So it's really an educational opportunity.
Okay.
We really feel like it's one of the things that we're a locally owned company, so it's important to us to really be involved in the public. But what we did is we partnered with several health plans, and they're going to be coming to our location on Saturday. Okay. And representatives are going to be there available to talk about Centennial Care, which is the new Medicaid Salute program.
Okay.
It's also, we're going to have opportunity to talk about the exchange, health exchange, which is new, as well as the benefits of a Medicare Advantage plan over traditional Medicare and why you would want to switch from traditional Medicare to a Medicare Advantage plan.
Great.
And all the plans are going to be there, so you can kind of go booth to booth to booth and talk to all the plans and find out which plan would work for you.
Okay. Now, what medical and insurance providers will be there to answer those questions that we have? Because I know there's a lot of them out there.
There is a lot of them. Molina and Loveless, Amerigroup, United, Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico, Presbyterian, and New Mexico Health Connections.
Okay, great. So we got a lot of opportunities
Absolutely.
and a lot of questions that can be answered. Now, what other information can the community learn by attending this event?
Well, besides all of the information about, some of the new regulatory changes and such with Medicare and CMS, we'll have some manufacturers on site for medical products and supplies, and so they'll be there to demonstrate the latest and greatest products.
Okay.
We're going to have a big sale at our retail store that we have there on site as well. And so it's, it'll be a great event for people to come out and be able to talk to everybody there on site.
So we can go in and learn about a lot of these new products that are available, the new services, and then we can just walk right into the store and get a solution for it from
Absolutely.
you guys. That's great. That makes it very convenient, and like we said, a lot of people really kind of struggling with a lot of questions. This is a huge transition in our healthcare.
It is.
And so having someone on our side like yourselves and putting on this health fair, I think is absolutely beneficial to our community. Well, so we can all make sure that we put it in our calendars, when for the health fair.
It's going to be Saturday, October 19th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at our location, 611 Osuna Northeast, and that's right across the street from Sandia Prep.
Right across the street from Sandia Prep. Pretty easy to find. Sandia
Yes.
Prep's a pretty big campus.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Very good, very good. Well, thank you guys so much, Stacy, Richard. Really appreciate it, and wish you the best of luck this weekend, and hope all goes well with it. And really appreciate the services you
Absolutely.
provide.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
much.
you.